this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have a machine in front of you. This is Liliana BATIDORA Manual 350 watt 3 type of velocity function turbo is coming with. You can see the box here. So Latin American brand, industry Argentina, 2 years of guarantee. Lovely. So let's unbox this one. Here we go. Let's see what we have inside. Here we go, guys. Here, see this tool to mixing. Lovely. Wow. More mixer here. One more. And the main machine. Here we go. Before that, let's see what we have else. In the packet, we can see some manual, very basic. If you have time, you check, 2 years guarantee it has, so not bad. So let's see the machine. Here we go, the machine. Take out from bag. Here we go. So Liliana written logo, bottom of that. Some information. Look, little bit open here, the joints you can see here too. Okay, here is a knob to control the velocity T01, 02, 03, something else. This is the power button, I guess. And the cable is handy, so I'll connect this one to try. But before that, I will inject this one. Here we go. Should go inside this one too. So this is fine. They're quite close one to another. You see, I hope they will not hit one to another. You can control intensity with this one. Off, and this one supposed to release. Yeah, it goes out with this one. So this is unboxing and review of Liliana BATIDORA. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.